Welcome. Today we're going to cover replacing a file that you've already uploaded with a newer version. So we know that all of your files live inside your Documents folder. So let's find it. We'll start by clicking on your department name in the top left. We'll then select the Contents button in the tab. We'll then navigate to your Documents folder, since every document lives inside there. And then we'll select the file that we want to update. And do Edit. From there, we'll select Replace with New File, and then choose the file in a Documents folder. Once we have the new file updated, the title should remain the same, but add a description with the date the file was updated. Now any links that you may have had to the old file is now updated to the new file, and we remove the old file and replace it with the new one. This is the preferred way to replace outdated documents on aps.edu. Thank you.